Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So this is your Trendline investor again providing the Nifty outlook for the 6th of July 2021. So just before we jump into the views, so what happened last Friday was that we had last week we had four consecutive days of fall, and then we had a nice close with a nice candle on Friday, and we had a good close to the week last week, and we broke this trend line, and then we just managed to close above that. And also that close on Friday meant that investors and traders were not really afraid to carry forward positions during a long weekend, and that was actually a very good bullish sign. And I also mentioned this in the newsletter that was sent out on Sunday. Now I think we have made a bottom in place around 15,650, and unless we go below that, I don't see any reasons for panic. Also, in the last video that I shared last Friday, I clearly mentioned the levels that one should watch out for, and that was 15,770 levels. That was the level that I mentioned, and now we have broken this 15,770. Now this also means that we broke out from a resistance zone, and also we now have higher high and higher lows in place. Right now, to be honest, today morning there was a gap up opening, and anyone who had thought should we go long or not, it was a clear sign to go long, because we just opened above that resistance around 15,770, and there was also this massive spike on the 5 minutes. There was a crazy spike in the morning, and everyone was speaking about it on Twitter. But if you see, the open actually today morning was 15,757, and then around 15,770 is where you're supposed to have kept your long positions, and that you're probably got executed, and then you had a nice trend throughout the day with forming higher and higher lows. Even on the 5 minute charts, we kept forming higher and higher lows, and we actually closed at the intraday session high towards the market close. Now, all bullish signs as of yesterday's closing. I don't see anyone why you should be carrying any shorts as of now. So all bullish signs, and hopefully we head higher from now. Now, even if you follow this simple theory of just following the higher lows, right? Now, you want to go long when you have higher lows, and you want to go short when you have lower lows. Now, this simple theory also can help you make money in the markets, but I think most of the people just find it difficult because of psychology, which is the biggest which is the biggest evil in markets. It's not the strategy itself. So if you're able to overcome your psychology, and if you're able to trade just higher lows for a beginner, I think you can still manage to make decent money in the markets. So now, what's the plan for tomorrow? Tomorrow, if you're carrying longs overnight, which means if you went long yesterday and you're still carrying overnights the long, then just trail your stop loss to 15,830 odd, which is this swing low, and probably you should hope that we head higher tomorrow, right? Because if we cross this zone, this zone over here, then we're clearly making fresh all-time highs, because this is a clear resistance zone that we got rejected multiple times. Now, if we cross this zone, then we're probably heading higher. So the best is to trail stop loss always. You never know which trade is going to make you good money, right? So just keep trailing your stop loss. However, as a plan B, if Nifty goes below this zone, right? So 15,820 here, 15,820 here, and again 15,820, right? So it's rounding off to a whole number. So if we close on a 5 minutes basis below 15,820, or even if we just go below 15,820, just keep a stop as a swing high, which is forming tomorrow or forming today, and then just take a short position towards targets of 15,770 again, right? So that's a simple plan. Go long if we go above 15,875, 15,885, or go short below 15,820. Right? Simple plan for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this view. Thank you.